Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to add a shortcut in Brave browser Android. So, in order for you to do this, first things first is open up the Brave browser into your device. Now, once you are here on your Brave, you will just simply select the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now select New Tab. And here on the new tab, as you can see, you will have an option over here, add new, tap on it, and just simply provide the shortcut that you want to add into your browser. For example, my shortcut will be google.com. And from here, as you can see, every time I add a tab, automatically I have the customized shortcut that I did on my browser. When I tap on that, it will automatically redirect me to whatever site that I have inputted. And pretty much you should be able to create a shortcut by this. Another option, select the three dots. And you could also add to home screen over here, which it will create a widget and it will be added to your home screen. And as you can see, it will look something like this. And when I tap on it, it will redirect me to that shortcut. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.